Hi, this is Jyoti. Welcome to Demystify Maths. I hope you have subscribed my channel and practiced the elimination method from the previous videos. So today we will do some word problems and we will apply elimination method to them and we will complete exercise 3.4. Hit the bell icon. Continuing exercise 3.4, we will solve the word problems with elimination method. So exercise 3.4, question number 2, first part. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, finally we have to find a fraction. So let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So first we will find our own fraction. Then we will look at the conditions. Now there are two variables. Fraction is x by y. There are two variables. There will be two conditions. So first condition is if we add 1. So x plus 1 upon y plus y minus 1, because it's subtraction, cross multiply, I get x minus y is equals to minus 2 as the first equation. Now looking at the condition 2, so we'll add 1 to the denominator. So it is x upon y plus 1 equals to 1 by 2. I'll cross multiply and I'll get the second equation as 2x minus y is equals to 1. Now if I look at the equations, coefficient of y is already same. See, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to make coefficient of x only same. Any one. So y is already same but with the same sign. So I'll subtract minus, plus and minus. Change the signs. So y and y gets cancelled. X minus 2x is minus x. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So x comes out to be 3. And then if I put in any one of them, like x minus y is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to 3 minus y is equals to minus 2 and I get y is equals to 5. But word problem, answer has to be in word. So the required fraction is 3 by 5. Okay, you can anytime cross check. If you add, it becomes 4. If you subtract 1, it becomes 4. That's 1. And if you add 1 in the denominator, it's 3 by 6, 1 by 2. 5 years ago, now age questions. Always remember the present ages are always x and y. So Noori and Sonu, right? So present age of Noori be x and the present age of Noori be y. And then 5 years ago. So we will calculate 5 years ago on our own first by subtracting 5 years. Then look at the condition. I have not even read the condition, right? Now 5 years ago, what will be Noori's age? X minus 5. And what will be Sonu's age? Y minus 5. Correct? Now look at the condition. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So now condition applying, Noori was 3 times the Sonu. So if you cross multiply or open the bracket, you get x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. Then 10 years later, so your time machine has to come back in present now, and now we'll run the time machine and reach 10 years later, but only with x. So presently it's x and y. Then 10 years later, it will be x plus 10 and y plus 10. That's the common sense that we are using, right? Not 10x, not 10y. Nobody becomes 10 times. So today somebody's 10 years, after 10 years he'll become 100. No, you'll have to add. Now looking at the condition, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu, right? So Noori will be, so x plus 10 is equals to twice y plus 10. And simplifying, x minus 2y is equals to 10. Now if you see here, the coefficient of x is already same, right? So we only have to subtract. So this is minus, plus and minus. This gets cancelled. Minus 3 plus 2y. Minus y, minus 10 minus 10, minus 20. So y is equals to 20 years. And if I put in any of them, suppose here only, x minus 2 into 20 is 10. So x will be equals to 50 years. Remember, age will always come positive. If there is any negative answer coming, that means you've done a calculation error. You can go and check your calculations again. So what is your final answer? Noori's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Now, in these type of question, there is a standard fix. Like you will take any one of them, unit digit or tens digit. So, let the digit at the units place be x and let the digit at the tens place be y. You can interchange it, that's not a problem. The problem is in the forming of the number. Now, you cannot write xy. Xy means x multiplied by y, right? 23 does not means 2 multiplied by 3, right? What does 23 means actually? 22 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This actually means face value multiplied by the place value. So how will you form the number here? X multiplied by 1 plus y multiplied by 10. Face value multiplied by the place value. Only then the number will be formed, right? Because you can't read it as xty like you read 23, right? So if you simplify this, it is x plus 10y. This is your number, not an equation. This is your number. On reversing, now unit digit will become y and tens digit will become x. Whatever you had taken earlier will be interchanged now. So unit digit becomes y, tens digit become x. Now what you will do? Again form the number face value multiplied by the place value. So y will be multiplied by 1 and x will be multiplied by 10. So y into 1 plus x into 10. So you get y plus 10x. So now you've got the two numbers. I haven't used any condition yet. Now let's look at the condition. First condition, sum of the digits is 9. So x plus y is 9. That's my first equation. The second condition will be 9 times x plus 10y is 2 into y plus 10x. Right? Be careful of the brackets there. And your second equation is 11x minus 88y is 0. Or I can even reduce it by dividing by 11. I get 8 x minus 8y is 0 or x is equals to 8y, right? Instead of elimination, I can even substitute it here, right? Or if you still want to go by elimination, x plus y is 9, x minus 8y is 0. Continuing with elimination only, else you can just put 8y, substitute also, right? In the paper, if the method is not mentioned, you are free to use any method. So minus plus minus cancelled. This is 9y is 9 and y is equals to 1. And putting it here, if y is 1, x is 8. But that's not your answer. You have to give the number. So what will be the number? What was at the units place? Units place was 1, right? And that was x. So it is, number is 18. Don't write 81, you'll lose marks. Now, fourth, Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 notes only. Now, Meena got 25 notes in all. Now, here you have to be careful the number of notes and the value of notes. So, let the number of 50 rupees notes be x and let the number of 100 rupees notes be y. This is the number of notes, not the value of notes. So, one condition is already given to you that 25 notes were there in total. So, x plus y is 25, first condition. Total money was 2000. So, how do you find the value? 50 notes. How many notes were there? Suppose there were 2 notes. So, 50 into 2. Suppose there were 10 notes. 50 into 10. So, value of one note multiplied by the number of notes. That will give you the value. So, condition 2 will be 50 into x plus 100 into y is 2000. That is value into the number of notes. Value into the number of notes. That is why the total value of the money is 2000. So be careful. This one, the condition is only according to the number of notes, right? And this one is because of the value of notes, right? So conditions, because one is according to the number of notes, other is because of the value of notes. And I can take 50 common also here. So I will get x plus 2y is 40. Now I can already see that the coefficients of x are already same. So I'll just straight away subtract, cancel y will be here as 15, right? So y is 15, and if I put back in x plus y is 25, I can easily say x is 10. So number of rupees 50 notes is actually x, that is 10, and the number of rupees 100 notes is 15. Now a lending library has fixed charge for first 3 days, an additional charge for each day thereafter. So let the fixed charge be x and the additional charge per day be y, right, which is charge per day after the 3 days. So Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book for 7 days, right? For 7 days, that means for 3 days it was x rupees, but after that it was y per day. That means x rupees for 3 days, y rupees for 4 days, right? So it is x plus 4y is equals to 27, right? The fixed charge for first 3 days. Other time it is 5 days. So for 5 days, it will be x plus 2y because 3 days are in the x, 2 days are in the y. So I can already see the coefficients are same. Cancelled. 4 minus 2y, 2y. 27 minus 21, just 6 there. And y is equals to 3. Right? And if y is equals to 3, let's just substitute in any one of them. It's 27. So x is equals to 27 minus 12. I'm doing it and x will be equals to 15, right? So fixed charge is rupees 15 and per day extra charge is rupees 3. So this completes your word problems of exercise 3.4. Cross multiplication is not coming in May 2021 exams. Please give your feedback in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon.